The AUXITO H11/H8/H16 LED fog light bulbs stand out in the crowded market of automotive lighting with their impressive specifications and performance. Designed to serve as either fog lights or daytime running lights, DRL, these bulbs emit a striking 6,000 lumens of cool white light at a color temperature of 6500 K. This brightness is a significant improvement over standard halogen bulbs, providing up to 300% more visibility, which is crucial for driving in adverse weather conditions. Installation is straightforward, as the bulbs are designed to fit seamlessly into most vehicles that use H11, H8, or H16 bulb types. The CSP LED chips utilized in these bulbs ensure that they provide a strong, clear beam pattern, enhancing road visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. This attention to detail results in a more focused light output, minimizing scatter and optimizing the overall driving experience. Another noteworthy feature is their durability.